Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. Student, after the month of June, you have already know about your online classes and the schedule of your classes. Student, I am Gopal Srivastava. I am teach you biology in your science subject. So student, there are only two period in 1 week. So student, this is the first chapter, means the chapter number 2, microorganism. I am explaining the question answer. After completing the all topics and explaining some question answer, there are some questions answer are left. So today I will discuss some long question answer which I am not explaining in your online classes. Okay, so student, get ready to write down the long question answer in today's online classes. Get ready to write down the question answer. Open your book, write down question. I am not going to write down the question. Okay, this is already given in your book. I will discuss only the answer. So be careful and listen carefully. Okay, student. Class 8, subject science and sub-subject is biology. Okay, today's topic I am going to explain your exercise section C, long answer type question. Long question answer of chapter microorganisms and viruses. Friend and foe. Okay, student, I am also taking the textbook because I am explaining some question answer. Student, ready? Open page number 42. I am going to read the section number C. Long answer type question. Long answer type question. Answer in 20 to 25 words. Okay. Question first is, you will write down the question also. Question first, describe some general characteristics and classification of microorganism. This answer is same answer of the short answer question type. Okay. Question number 1, what are the general characteristics of the microorganism? And same answer, describe some general characteristics of and classification, adding some one more point, that is classification. So write down this answer. This is already given in page number, student, page number 22. Page number 22. some general characteristic of microorganism. Point 1, 2, 3, 4, and there are four major group of microorganism. Page number 22 and 23. From where? Some general characteristic. Some general characteristic characteristic RICS of microorganism. Microorganism to page number 23. Bacteria, fungi, algae and protozoa. Okay student, see, this is not possible to write down the all answers in the higher classes. I will be discussed from your textbook, so please take the help of your textbook. Page number 22. Okay, some characteristic 1, 2 point, and page number 23 1, 2, 3, 4 points, and write down these the 4 types. Okay, student, tick in your textbook with the pencil. I am going to erase this. Okay. Write the beneficial action of. Write the beneficial action of. Answer 2. BENEFIC. Beneficial actions of. First, A. Bacteria. Student, write down. I am going to write this answer in whiteboard. Some bacteria are very useful, beneficial. Okay. Some bacteria are very useful. Such as Lactobacillus, Bacillus. Lactobacillus promotes the formation of curd from milk. Renin is used in cheese formation. Okay, and some bacteria are also making in medicine in cheese formation, and some are useful in making medicines. Don't go deeply. Very useful for making the medicines. Okay? Write down. Some bacteria secrete chemicals that kill the harmful germs. That is called antibiotics. That is medicine. Okay? And second, write down, student. There is no more space for point B. Is the answer number 2, point A. Fungi. B. I am going to erase off this. This answer is already given. I will give some clues. Student, please wait. Okay, page number 26. Page number 8. Point number 8, page number 26. Okay. Bacterium. There are two bacteria which is very useful for making the cheese and curd. And also given useful fungi means in bakery industries. Yeast is very useful. I am going to explain this. B. Fungi. Write down about the useful beneficial fungi. Yeast is a beneficial fungus. Yeast is a BENEFI fungus. Write down. Yeast is beneficial fungus. It is used for the preparation of. It is used for preparation. Page number 29. This is already given. Page number 29. And point number from above 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth point. Yeast is beneficial. It is used for preparation of bakery of BAKE bakery products such as bread and cake. And other food items items such as idli, dosa and dhokla. Okay, page number 29 already given. You can mark this with the help of pencil. Page number 29, point number 5. You can write down from the board also. Yeast is beneficial fungus. It is used for preparation of bakery products and other food items such as idli, dosa and dhokla. You know yeast. When we mix some yeast in the food items like dhokla, dosha, it makes spongy and soft, fluffy, because it increases in their number in the absence of oxygen and produce carbon dioxide. Okay, which increases the size of dough. Okay, dough for making the bread and cake. Now write down in second answer C. What is C? C is algae. C, A-L-G-A-E, algae. Algae, you know, student, very useful for the fixation, nitrogen fixation. Already given blue-green algae patch which develop in the surface of rotating orange, wishing grey. Okay, this is harmful but useful algae is page number 28. Algae is also beneficial because, write down, because the blue green algae, the blue green algae can fix atmospheric nitrogen, atmospheric nitrogen as nitrogen compound, compounds. Okay, compounds in the soil, by increasing soil fertility. Okay, write down answer, student, in the rough copy. Now I am going to read the question number 3. Describe the natural fixation of nitrogen. Student, you know that there are two ways of fixation, atmospheric fixation. That is the symbiotic bacteria, and second is the electric discharge. So I am going to explain with the help of your book, because it is not possible to explain all answer. Okay, because this is the online class, it is not your true class. Okay, so please cooperate, and if you have any queries, you can contact to me after 12 p.m. Student, describe the natural fixation of nitrogen. Answer third. Please wait. This is already given in your book. Natural fixation of nitrogen. Heading: natural fixation of nitrogen. This is heading given in page number 39. Bracket page number 39 and 40. Okay. There are two ways of natural fixation of nitrogen. Number first, by symbiotic nitrogen, and in page number 40, burning during lightning till proteins. Okay. First is symbiotic, by symbiotic symbiotic bacteria. Write down complete. And second, during lightning, during, during, lightning. Write complete. Okay. Mark it and write down after completing the online class in your homework. Mark it in your book. Now question number 4. How do microorganisms cleanse the environment? Student, question number 4 I am going to read it. How do microorganisms cleanse the environment? Some microorganisms are very useful because they break down the organic matters, dead and decaying parts, plants and animals, whatever. Because some microorganisms like molds, fungi, bacteria, broken down the organic matter into the simpler form. Okay, student? And some cow dungs also broken down by the process of fermentation, means the in absence of oxygen. They broken down in the simpler form in the producing of biogas and slurry. Slurry is very useful for the fertility of the soil. So, student, write down the answer number 4. Answer number 4 already given. Page number 29. Page number 29. Okay. What? Many microorganisms to manure. Many micro organism to manure. Okay. Page number 29. See, student, this is the heading, cleaning of environment, from here to here. Okay. This is the answer number 4. Mark it in the textbook with the help of pencil. Name the causative microorganism which causes. Causative microorganisms, the microorganism which causes the diseases, that is called causative microorganism. Okay, means harmful microorganism. Answer fit. Disease. And causative. CAUSA. Causative microorganisms. Okay. Diseases. DISEASES. Number 1. A. What is A? Rust in wheat. rust in wheat. B, blast in paddy. Blast in paddy. And C, yellow vein mosaic. Yellow vein mosaic. MOSAIC. MOSAIC in bhindi. Okra. Also called okra in some other states. Okay. First, causative organism. Where is it? It is already given. Blast. Paddy means fungi. First, rust in wheat. Rust in wheat. It is caused by fungi. Fungi. Okay. Fungi. And blast in paddy. It is also caused due to the fungi. And yellow vein mosaic in bhindi, that is caused by virus. Okay, student. Now you will write down define the terms. I am already discussed the take the odd one out, giving reason, and you can search the all following terms in the given in the book. Okay. So, and there are some formative and summative question answer. You will fill up with the help of pencil. Okay. This is already given in your back side of your textbook. All answers of the formative and summative, page number 43. Okay, I will be discussed in your next online class. So write down the today's homework. Science, bio. Okay. Write and learn long question answer in your notebook. Of chapter 2. Okay. And fill the formative and summative. And fill all answer of page number 43 and 44 with help of pencil. Okay. And I will discuss some new topics of chapter number 8. Okay. Cell structure, no sorry, 7. Conservation of plants and animals. Conservation of plants and animals, 7. Okay. So write down the answer and homework in bio section. Okay student, thank you, have a nice day.